Hi everybody, I am Shahid Israr. Today I will discuss how to configure Huawei ONT 8245 Wi-Fi connectivity. So at first go to your browser and type this IP. This is default IP of this 8245 Wi-Fi ONT. In our PC we configure in my LAN 192.168.100.2/24 and in my browser I put this IP and this is our login window in our ONT. Now type root admin. This is default username and password. Here I can change this username and password for next time security purpose. Also another username and password is telecom admin and password is admin telecom. Now login. So two way we can log in this ONT. Two username. One is root admin and another is telecom admin and password admin telecom. So now here one tab we see a ONT is configured 2000 VLAN this Wi-Fi. Now we want to freshly configure. Now go to system tools, restore default configuration, default. Okay. We need to reboot. In WLAN section we enable this radio button. This is our default SSID. Now we can change this ID. Shahid. This is my new SSID name. Enable SSID, broadcast SSID. If we want to broadcast my SSID in anyone can see by search Wi-Fi, but if we don't want to share my SSID with publicly, we can hide this name by unmark this field. But now I this moment take this field. This is our security key. Here this is default security key number. Now I change this key Shahid 123. Now apply. We see here my SSID name is change and this section is configured. Now in my LAN we see default IP address 192.168.100.1/24, DHCP server configuration. This is my default DHCP server. This is LAN host IP address, and this is starting our DHCP pool IP starting to end 2 to 254. Here we can set lease time. This is secondary DHCP server IP. It's not necessary. Then apply. Now one section in this section for no one connectivity show and no configurable any button we show here because we log in root admin password. So now we try to telecom admin. And admin telecom. Now this on interface. Here I see a new button. Previously when we log in by root admin, then this button is not found. So basically you get limited access by root admin password, but if you want to full access this ONT, you need to log in telecom admin telecom using a password. So now press new button, enable one. This is internet IPv4 VLAN ID 2000. Here I configure 2000 VLAN for this ONT. Previously we configure OLT 2000 VLAN for this ONT. It is a regular ONT configuration, same as normal ONT configure, but extra we need to configure inside of ONT for Wi-Fi service. So here 2000 is our client VLAN. This is DHCP or static. Here I use DHCP in my uplink 2000 VLAN. We create DHCP and this ONT got IP from DHCP server. If you use static IP, then select this static IP and here put this static IP subnet gateway, but here in this section I use DHCP. Now apply. This is configured in LAN interface. This is default LAN IP. DHCP server configuration. This is configured previously. This is DHCP pool IP, starting IP and end IP. This is lease time, how many times this IP is lease any device or PC. We can manually set it minute, hour, day, week. This is secondary DHCP server IP. It is optional. Now WLAN interface. Here SSID is Shahid. Previously we create, and this is security, and this is security password. Now apply. So our configuration is successfully done. So thank you for watching my video. Here is a device information. We see one is registered this Wi-Fi via this Wi-Fi. So thank you for watching my video.